The Golden Coast, so called by Europeans on account of its abundant and copious yield of gold things and treasures of nature, is also of successful minds.
Akosombo, better known for electricity power generating, is fast becoming a major tourist hub. The car ride from Accra, which takes an hour, allows you to view a picturesque landscape of hills, mountains, and plains. The centerpiece, however, is the Volta Lake, the largest man-made lake in the world. Today, we are at the Volta Hotel at Akosombo, operators of the Dodi Princess Ferry, which plies the Volta Lake. Join the cruise.
The Volta Hotel is perched atop a hill overlooking the Akosombo Dam. It commands a splendid view wherever you turn. The aesthetics of the exterior is well matched by a cool and breezy interior fitted with all the comforts.
If you take Akosombo as a whole, it's an environment that is very, very attractive. Not too far from Accra, very relaxing, and that makes Volta Hotel what it is today. It is unique, I must say, in the sense that you cannot duplicate the dam, you cannot duplicate the lake, and it offers the best scenery and every possible calm environment that one would want. The hotel itself is also a hotel of class. Even though we are classified a 3-star hotel, we have almost all the facilities that a 4-star hotel, has. We have the swimming pool, we have the double tennis court, we have conference rooms, and the rooms themselves, if you enter, you'll see that they are very, very refurbished. The staff are also very, very well trained, very disciplined, and very, very friendly. As you go along and talk to them, you will see that we have all the qualities that you get in the 4-star and 5-star hotels in Accra. So I want every visitor who comes to Ghana and will want to have comfort to head towards Akosombo, just enjoy the environment, enjoy the hotel, take the boat and go on the boat cruise, and you will see that it will be a memorable experience.
The Dodi Princess is a sight to behold as she makes her way into the distance. Join the cruise. The slow, steady movement of the ferry, coupled with the splendid views of nature, it offers a calming experience. It leads to relaxation and a sense of peace. The cabin, the nerve center of the princess, is manned by an experienced crew.
We have been cruising from Akosombo Port to Dodi Island and then back to Akosombo Port. At times we do meet the storm when the weather is bad, but since the Dodi Princess was a cargo boat and we converted to passenger, it's a flat bottom, so the storm doesn't give much on it, so it's safe. And we've got sufficient life jackets on board for the passengers, and then life rafts. And we've got the rigid life raft too on board. So all passengers on board are safe.
The might and beauty of nature is apparent, a refreshing mix. Upstairs, the heat is on. It's a free-for-all. The dancing styles are varied. A certain feeling of tranquil freedom is pervasive.
I used to live in Akosombo a long time ago, maybe about 25 years ago. An uncle of mine used to work at ATL, and I lived with him for a long time. And when I was growing up, for all these years, I've never actually been on this lake. And then as I grew up and later on, I found out this was the largest man-made lake on earth. And I decided this time around, I've been here a few times, but this time around I decided to bring my mom, who's leaving tomorrow, onto the lake. So here we are. It's nothing particularly mysterious, but I love it. I think it has a particular natural beauty to it.
I reside in the U.S., New York, and I came on a visit with my children. And we decided to come on the cruise. I'll be leaving tomorrow back to New York. And I really enjoy it. Really enjoy it. It's very beautiful. And I wish I can come back again. Next time, I will have my 60th birthday right here with my family and friends. And I hope to come back again and see the cruise going on just like this. And I enjoy the music, the live band, and the food, and the staff, and the workers, and everybody is just beautiful.
The Princess is well stocked, pandering to the demands of its partying passengers. After the heat and stress of the towns and cities, what better way to unwind? Back to reality, Paradise Lost. On the ferry, you won't believe it's been 4 hours. Time flies past without notice. I wish the world were that tranquil. Akosombo, truly refreshing.
The Golden Coast, so called by Europeans on account of its abundant and copious yield of gold things and treasures of nature, as also of successful minds.
The seasons are ripe to set ablaze the fires of our lives. I see my people lifting their lives again. Shine or rain, beloved, go back Jojo, abo, abo more, you fit. Kunduma kwache teza za kutofia